Welcome everyone. In today's tutorial, we're going to show you how to pair your JBL Flip 6 to your phone. There are two options for doing it. One is simpler, and the other is more advanced. The first is a fast pairing via Bluetooth. The second is a connection in the JBL Portable app. The app option will reveal the full potential of your speaker. We will describe both methods. Method 1. Pairing via Bluetooth settings. Enable Bluetooth on your phone. Go to the settings menu on your phone, find the Bluetooth settings, and turn Bluetooth on. Put your speaker in pairing mode. Press the Bluetooth button on your JBL Flip 6. You should see the Bluetooth light start blinking, indicating it's in pairing mode. Select your speaker. On your phone, scan for devices in the Bluetooth settings. JBL Flip 6 should appear in the list of available devices. Tap it to connect. Once connected, you might hear an audio confirmation from the speaker, and the Bluetooth light will stay solid, showing it's successfully paired. Method 2. Using the JBL Portable app. Download the JBL Portable app. Install the JBL Portable app from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Open the app and enable Bluetooth. Open the app and ensure Bluetooth is enabled on your phone. The app should automatically search for nearby JBL speakers. Connect to your speaker. Once your JBL Flip 6 shows up in the app, tap on it to connect. The app may provide additional features like speaker customization and firmware updates. Enjoy enhanced features. After pairing through the app, explore enhanced features like equalizer settings, stereo pairing with another speaker, and more. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please remember to like and subscribe. You can discover more tips and tricks for your JBL Flip 6 in the playlist linked in the description below.